Welcome everyone. Today we are diving into one of the most important topics in geometry, the angle relationships, and how to prove them using two-column proofs. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let's define some key terms. Let's start with adjacent angles. These are two angles that share a common vertex and a common side but do not overlap. For instance, angle AOC and angle BOC are adjacent angles as they share a common vertex O and a common side OC. Next, we have vertical angles. When two lines intersect, they create two pairs of vertical angles. A crucial property of vertical angles is that they are always congruent, meaning they have equal measure. For example, angle 1 and angle 3 are congruent, and angle 2 and angle 4 are also congruent. Now let's discuss linear pairs. A linear pair consists of two adjacent angles formed when two lines intersect. According to linear postulate, if two angles form a linear pair, they are supplementary, which means their measures add up to 180 degrees. To prove angle relationship, we often use the properties of equality. This property includes reflexive property. Any quantity is equal to itself. Example, A is equal to A. Symmetric property. If A is equal to B, then B is equal to A. Transitive property. If A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then A is equal to C. Now that we know the basic, let's apply them using two-column proof. This method helps us organize our reasoning by listing statement on one side and the corresponding reason on the other. Let's take a look at this example. We want to prove that angle AEC is congruent to angle DAB when line AB and CD intersect at point E. The first step is to start with the given. So we write on the first statement the line AB and CD intersect at point E. Second step is to identify the linear pairs. Angle AEC and angle AED along with angle AED and DAB are adjacent, and their non-common side form a straight line based on the definition of linear pair. The third statement is to apply the linear pair postulate. Since angle AEC and angle AED form a linear pair, their measure add up to 180 degrees. The same goes to angle AED and angle DAB. So we can write measure of angle AEC plus measure of angle AED is equals to 180 degrees, and the measure of angle AED plus the measure of angle DAB is equals to 180 degrees. This is based on linear pair postulate. Now, since both equations equal to 180 degrees, we can set them equal to each other. So measure of angle AEC plus measure of angle AED is equals to the measure of angle AED plus the measure of angle DAB. This is the substitution property of equality. By subtracting measure of angle AED from both sides, that gives us the measure of angle AEC is equals to the measure of angle DAB. This step uses the additive inverse property of equality. Now that we know the measures are equal, we can say that angles are congruent. So angle AEC is congruent to angle DAB. This is based on the definition of congruent angles. That's it. By understanding angle relationships and mastering two-column proofs, you're building a strong foundation in logical reasoning and geometric thinking. Keep practicing and soon proving angle pairs will feel like second nature. Thank you for watching and happy studying.